Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Krisha. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good.
So, what all is going on these days?
Nothing. My exams have just been finished.
They're just over. Okay. So, how were
Yeah.
the exams? All good?
Yeah.
Okay. So, it was a UT?
Yes.
Okay. And what about English UT?
It was nice.
Okay. Great. And so, CUET preparation was on hold for some time?
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. So, Krisha, what I have planned today, we'll do three things for CUET today. First, I'll be doing a recap of all the vocabulary words with some new words. Okay? Vocab.
Okay.
Then we'll do one question paper, like a sample paper, which will give you an idea of how the exams are going to be. Okay? And then in the end, we can take up an essay competition, like essay topic. Okay?
Yeah. No, actually, the topic you gave me in last class, I wrote that and I sent you. So we can
Okay.
discuss that only.
Yeah, sure. You can read it out in the end. That will be great.
Yeah.
And
Sure.
for homework, I'll share another topic. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. And Krisha, as I mentioned a few days back, that I sometimes record few of my classes. So I hope you're comfortable with that.
Sorry.
As I told you few days back that I do record few of the classes.
No, no, I won't. I don't have any issues.
Okay, thank you, dear. Okay, Krisha, please take out your previous vocab and let's quickly catch a hold of those words. Okay,
Yeah.
you have revised them already. I'll ask
Yes.
randomly.
Yes. Okay. Okay.
So I'll tell you the meaning, you tell me the word. Okay?
Okay.
Something which is unavoidable.
Inevitable.
Inevitable, yes. Something which we cannot avoid. Very good. Which is bound to
Overall.
happen. जो होना ही होना है.
Yeah.
मतलब हमारा होड़ नहीं है. Can you frame a sentence with inevitable?
Death is inevitable.
Very good. Death is inevitable because it is bound to happen. Maybe today,
Yeah.
tomorrow, whenever. Okay? Okay. Second word for vocabulary is resilience.
Resilience.
Tell me the meaning and a sentence.
Resilience means to recover early from losses.
Very good. So, ability to recover quickly from any
Yeah,
kind of
recover quickly.
loss. Yeah, it can be any kind of loss or any problematic situation. Okay? So, basically, the
Yeah,
ability to overcome that. Okay?
yeah,
Fine. So, third word, I'll tell you the meaning and you tell me the word. Okay? Purging out of emotions.
yeah. Purging out of emotions.
Hmm.
Um,
It's okay. Think about it. We referred some dramas, playwrights, dramatics, which ultimately lead to purging out of emotions of the spectators.
mm,
मतलब बहुत ज्यादा emotions आना एकदम से, like uncontrolled emotions. So that is a feeling of catharsis.
catharsis, right?
Catharsis, okay? What is catharsis, Krisha?
Catharsis is basically a strong feeling, a strong emotion.
Very good. Yes. So basically, when we watch a movie which is, like very overwhelming, you may cry a lot after the movie or during the movie. Or maybe if you're
Yeah,
watching a play and that play is leading to tears, so that is also catharsis, like purging out of emotions. It can be any way.
yes,
You may become upset, you may start crying, you may start laughing. So any emotion. So that is catharsis. Okay?
catharsis.
Okay. So similar to catharsis is another word which is
Yeah, um, catastrophe.
catastrophe.
Catastrophe. Catastrophe.
Catastrophe. Yes. Cat से याद रखो. Catastrophe. Yes.
Catastrophe.
Would you like to explain me the meaning of catastrophe along with one example, maybe?
Catastrophe basically means something very sad or something like a tragedy.
Tragedy, yes. Disaster, a sudden disaster, a tragic
Yeah.
end or any tragedy, right?
Yes.
Okay. You can also say like suffering or damage of any kind.
Yes.
That is catastrophe. Fine.
Catastrophe.
Catastrophe. Yes. Okay. What is the meaning of grit? Have I done this word with you? Grit? Grit?
No, we
Okay.
haven't done this
You
word.
may please note it down. Grit.
Yes.
Any idea about this word? Grit.
No.
Okay. I'll give you a sentence. As I told you before, instead of telling you the meanings of the words directly, what we will do, I will give you a sentence and you will be extracting the meaning out of that sentence. Okay? ताकि आपको
Okay.
याद रहे. Because see, when you will be doing it yourself, आपको थोड़ी ज्यादा टाइम के लिए वो चीज याद रहेगी. ठीक है? So, if I say, Krisha has a grit in her eyes.
A spark.
Spark, very good. But what kind of spark? मतलब good. You
Maybe
got the meaning.
yeah, maybe a spark of enthusiasm or to do something or to achieve
Very good.
something.
Determination. We already know
Determination.
what is determination. That is willingness or curiosity
Yeah.
to do something. So if I say
Yes.
Krishna has a bit of grit in her eyes, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि she has that willpower, she has that determination. Okay, fine. And also, there's a word determined, and I have often seen students, they say determined, which is a wrong
Yeah.
pronunciation. So just to bring to your notice that determined is no word in English, it's determined. And it from
Determined.
determined, it comes determination. Okay? So
Domination.
grit is determination. Okay? Willingness, willpower, courage. So these
Yes.
all are synonyms. Okay? Grit, Grit. Clear, Krisha?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Next one, tenacity. I think we have done tenacity, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did tenacity.
Yes. Any idea?
Yeah. Tenacity basically means think courage, determination, will to do something.
Yeah, basically the non-giving up attitude.
Yeah.
Like होता है ना कि even if life throws stones at you or you are facing a lot of challenges in your life, you are still not giving up in life. That is tenacity.
Yes.
Actually, there is a very
Tenacity.
like thin line of difference between tenacity and resilience. What do you think? मतलब आपको क्या लगता है दोनों वर्ड सेम है tenacity and resilience or there is a very little or minor difference between the two words? Think about it and then you can tell
There
me.
there is a I think there's a very thin line of difference between the two
Please tell me how.
because resilience basically refers to courage or doing something,
Okay.
but tenacity is like basically a hope that a person never gives up, a person who
Very
never
good.
gives up.
Yeah. So basically, I can say that a person who is resilient has tenacity. A person who is resilient has tenacity. वो बंदा उस बंदे के पास टेनासिटी तो होगी ना लाइक द नेवर गिव
Yes.
अप एटीट्यूड और वही बंदा
Yes. Yes.
रेसिलिएंट हो सकता है बेसिकली व्हाट आई मीन टू से दैट दे गो हैंड इन हैंड इफ कृषा
Yeah.
इफ कृषा इज रेसिलिएंट सो शी मस्ट बी हैविंग द क्वालिटी ऑफ टेनासिटी आल्सो ओके क्योंकि टेनासिटी
Yes.
होगी जब नॉन गिव अप वाला एटीट्यूड होगा तभी तो वो बंदा रेसिलिएंट होगा रेसिलिएंट मतलब एबिलिटी
Hmm.
टू रिकवर क्विकली फ्रॉम लॉसेस
Losses.
ठीक है so these two words are connected in this way any confusion till now anything you want to ask
No.
okay do you
No.
like I have told you like for CUET we have a vast syllabus everything in the universe is your syllabus like I cannot say that okay these words are there in your syllabus no everything is there so as discussed before like I do share few words with you new words you can also come up with few words. Okay. So in the next class, I want you to be ready with at least 5 to 6 new words that we haven't done till now. Okay. And then
Okay.
we'll discuss those words. Like it's up to you whether you
Okay.
want to find out the meaning, you don't want to, you want to discuss it directly with me. That is up to you. But you have to write at
Okay.
least 6, 7 words by the
Okay.
class. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
Right. Krisha, just have a look at previous words quickly and tell me if there is any confusion. You already have written a lot of words that we have done in our vocabulary sessions. So anything you want to ask, please let me know.
Sure.
Hmm. You can have a look at the words.
No, I don't have any confusion in all the words.
No confusion? Great.
No.
Okay, I'll start with few worksheets. We'll discuss few worksheets and few questions from the question papers of CUET, okay? That will give you
Sure.
practice. I'll just share my screen, Krisha.
Yeah.
Can you see my screen, Krisha?
Yeah, it's visible.
Fine. Should I zoom it?
No, it's fine.
Okay, you can read the key points quickly so that you know what is to be done.
Yeah. Yeah, I've read the key
Right?
points.
Okay, dear. Let's look at first question. Fill in the blanks and list one with the phrasal verbs and list two. What are phrasal verbs, Krisha?
Phrasal verbs are basically, short phrases that we use in sentences.
Very good. Can you give me any one example like that we come across in our day-to-day life?
Yeah, we use giveaway,
Give away, yes. Put on, put up,
put on,
put off. I'm
yeah,
up,
cut
I'm
up.
up. Yeah, these things. So basically, that small phrases that we keep using in our language, okay? Okay, let's look at the question, Krisha. She is financially very smart and has got a few thousand rupees dash for her retirement. Okay, so basically, you have four sentences and four options are given in list two. You have to match the following. So, you have to match the phrasal verb with the sentence. So, take 1 or
Sentence.
2 minutes, write your answer wherever you want to write, and then we'll discuss.
Okay.
Yeah. Prisha, you must have heard people asking often, where do you put up? Must have
Yeah.
heard. So, what is the meaning of where do you put up?
Where do you put up? Where do you show your efforts, or how do you do it?
Mhm. If I, for example, I'm meeting you for the first time, I don't know who you are, who Krisha is, where is she from, and I ask you, then Krisha, where do you put up? Where do you put up का मतलब होता है कि आप कहाँ रहते हो? Where do you live? Okay? So
Okay.
these are just little phrases, phrasal verbs, which has a meaning beyond, what we can see. Okay? So where do you put up means where do you live?
Live.
Yeah. See, they all are beginning with put, puts up, put away, puts in, put off. But they all have different meanings, Krisha. Okay?
Yes.
So these are also very important for CUET. Like these are just examples, but you see, there can be many words, like many phrasal verbs can come. Okay, you must have heard people say hang on,
Hang on means to wait.
to wait, yes. Good. And hang up?
Hang up. To come along.
Mhm. That is hang out or hang up. For example, we both are talking to each other on call, and I tell
Okay,
you
so you mean to cut the conversation or to leave the conversation.
not to leave, basically, not to leave the conversation. We are talking to each other, and I say that Krishna, don't hang up on me. Hang up matlab ki phone mat
To
kaatna.
leave.
Not to leave. Don't hang up on me.
Don't leave.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can continue. Question number 29.
Yeah. Yeah, I have done.
Okay, let's see. Krishna, start reading the questions and then tell me the answer side by side.
Yeah. She's financially very smart and has got a few thousand rupees dash for her retirement. I think the answer is put up for retirement.
Few thousand rupees. Mm,
Put away for retirement.
yes, put away मतलब उसने रख दिए अलग से.
Yes.
Hmm. Okay, he is clever, but his gruff is strong, like
Strong exterior. Yeah.
makes most people get
Well,
dashed by it.
put off by it.
Yes, very good. Put off matlab like not interested, basically.
Okay.
I wonder how she dashed with his erratic behavior.
Yeah. How she puts up for her erratic behavior.
Puts up, very good. Puts up, putting up with someone. Put up matlab उसके साथ रहना, किसी के साथ रहना. Okay? To
Yes.
compete with someone. Okay, so last is every day she dash 10 to 12 hours of study. She will certainly
She
crack the
puts
category.
in.
Puts in, yes, very good. तो बेसिकली देखो कृष्णा इसको हमने शॉर्टन कर दिया लाइक इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग शी पुट्स इन अ लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स or she spends a lot of hours in studying. I am just saying she
Yeah.
puts in. So basically, you're just, minimizing your words.
Yeah.
Hmm. Clear? So your answer
Yes.
goes like, so all the answers are correct. So correct option is A. Let's check
A part.
also. A, first, second, B, 4, C, 1.
C first and D3.
Correct? Perfect?
Yeah.
Good. Let's go to question. Okay, do you want to read these key points? Like if you have any confusion, you can just quickly read it. Put away, put off,
No,
put.
no, we can continue.
Okay, great. Question number 30.
Yeah.
Choose the appropriate option to complete the following sentence. Kalyani made her children dash on the
Kalyani made her children do some chores on Sunday.
made her children do some. Yes, C part. Great.
Yeah, do some. See part.
Okay, 31. Yes.
Yeah.
Choose the word that is nearest in meaning to the underlined word.
It means basically you have to tell a synonym.
Sorry? Yeah, synonym.
It means that I have to tell a synonym.
Yes, you have to tell a synonym.
Yeah. I am not convinced why is duplicity in this matter. I
Duplicity का
think
मतलब क्या हुआ? What is the meaning of duplicity?
means his fake side.
Yeah, जैसे कहते हैं ना दोगलापन, double face.
दोगलापन मतलब he
हाँ,
is not like that, but he's showing up like that.
हाँ, someone is pretending something.
Yeah.
Pretend करना. ठीक है?
So I think the option will be the A part.
A part is deceit. Yes, deceit का मतलब क्या होता है? धोखा देना.
धोखा देना.
Okay, deceit. This is also a good word that you should know. Okay, like if you think that you get confused in deceit, you can note down deceit also. It's a very helpful word. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Just a word came to my mind. I want to discuss it with you. Adversity. Adversity.
Adversity.
Hmm.
Adversity I think means very similar.
No, dear. I'll give you a sentence. You tell me the meaning. Okay.
Okay.
In the times of adversity, we should never give up.
Um hard times, challenging
Hard times.
times.
Yes. Adversity मतलब बहुत बुरी situation. ठीक है?
Yeah.
You can note down this word. This is a good word for your vocabulary. Adversity.
Mm.
Okay.
Adversity.
Duplicity, you may note down if you want. I am not convinced of his duplicity in this manner. So for duplicity, I'm going to replace duplicity with deceit. Deceit मतलब
Defeat.
धोखा,
Doka.
दोगलापन. Okay? Clear,
Yes.
Krisha?
Yes. Yes.
So the correct answer is deceit, which we have already discussed. Duplicity is
Yes.
deceitfulness. Okay? The quality of being deceptive or misleading. Okay?
Yes.
For example, I think deceptive is also a good word, Krisha. Like, it comes from deceit, duplicity, and these things only. So, deceptive, if I say his looks were deceptive.
Means very misleading
Yeah, misleading. मतलब कि
or
देख के ना,
pretending.
या pretending कि मतलब जो दिख रहा था ऐसा था नहीं. Okay? So, that.
Yeah.
Okay. See, let's look at the example also, Krisha. She won the election through deceit and manipulation. Manipulation, you already know.
Yeah.
Manipulative,
Yeah.
मतलब जो घुमा फिरा के बातें करते हैं.
घुमा फिरा के बात करे.
Yeah. Manipulative in nature. Okay. Let's look at question number 32. Yes.
Yeah.
So you just have to rearrange these sentences like in an order. Prisha, dear, I want to know one thing. Are you getting little confident for your competitive exam, or are you finding any improvement in yourself?
Yeah.
How? How do you think you have improved or you're improving?
It's just that I think now when I speak,
Hmm.
I use more better words.
Okay, you use Better words. Good.
Or when I do writing skill, I try to make the sentence even more better than writing this a simpler one.
Okay. So you are able to include vocabulary words that we learn in your day-to-day
Yeah,
life and in your writing
yeah,
skills as well, right? And what
yes,
about confident? Do you feel little confident? See, I try that we converse in English only during our class.
yes.
So, any problem that you're facing, or what's your feedback? Are you feeling confident in, I'm talking about speaking part of English as of now.
Yeah, I am confident.
Good, great. Okay, please continue with question 32 and then we'll discuss.
Okay. Yeah. According to me, the answer is the second part. BDAC.
B, D, A, C.
AC.
Yes, B, D, A, C is the correct answer. Yes.
Yeah.
B you told, na? Yeah. C,
Yeah.
B. Good. Okay, question number 33. Homonyms. Yes. What are homonyms?
Homonyms are basically those words who have a similar sound,
Hmm.
but their spellings and meanings are different.
Very good. Let's look at the question.
In this question, I'm not aware of the words which are given, meaning of the words which are given.
Could you please repeat, dear?
In this question, I'm not aware of the meanings of the words given.
Okay, no problem. Let's discuss the words first, okay? And also you can note down these words, Krisha. They are
Yeah,
like words.
I'm noting down side by side.
Okay, dear. So first is discrete. Now pronunciation is same, Krisha. Discrete.
Yes.
Spellings are different and meanings are different. Okay, that
Yeah.
these words are homonyms. So let's look at the first one. Discrete. Discrete. First one.
Yeah.
So basically discrete का यहाँ पे मतलब होता है different. This discrete means
Different.
different. Like each student, sorry, has discrete personalities. मतलब different personality. Discrete.
The first one, right? The
Yeah, the
first
first one is
discrete.
different. Alag alag, separate.
Okay.
Frame any sentence with discrete.
Me and my
Distinct.
friend had discrete personalities.
Yeah, we have discrete personalities. Discrete का
Personalities.
मतलब क्या हुआ? अलग अलग, different. ठीक
अलग-अलग
है?
personalities.
Single ही होता है. Okay? Single ही
Yeah.
as in like initially. Now the second one, discrete. Discrete, discrete.
Discrete.
Yeah, crete because it's double E. So discrete.
Yeah.
हम ऊपर वाले में it's E sound only in the first one, but we don't just we don't elongate it as such. Discrete.
Hmm.
Okay. Second is discrete. So
Crete.
any idea about discrete? कहीं सुना हो मतलब any guesses you want to make?
No.
द सेकेंड वन डिस्क्रीट का मतलब क्या होता है? बीइंग टैक्टफुल। टैक्टफुल मतलब बहुत
Tactful.
सोचना समझना, हाँ, टैक्टफुल।
Okay.
टैक्टफुल मतलब बड़ी समझदारी से कुछ सिग्नल करना। बीइंग वेरी केयरफुल, बीइंग टैक्टफुल।
Yes.
अब आपने कभी देखा होगा, व्हेन, सी देयर इज ऑलवेज अ ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स which is like separate from the other group. ठीक है? And if you want to signal something to your group, you will just nod in a very discreet way. Nod in a
Yeah.
discreet way. मतलब सिर्फ इशारा ही करोगे और वो समझ जाएंगे. So that is
Hmm.
being tactful. You are doing it in
Tactful.
a discreet way.
Yes.
मतलब बड़ा सोच समझ के, समझदारी से. Instead of मतलब
Hmm.
doing loud actions or something like that, you're just doing it
Yeah.
plainly.
Yeah.
Okay, so just being tactful, that is discreet.
Agreed.
Also you can say कि मतलब हमें attention avoid करनी है किसी को, so that is being
Hmm.
discreet. मतलब मैं नहीं चाहती
Okay.
कि कृषा और मेरी, अगर मैं आपको, आई एम जस्ट हिंटिंग यू कि कृषा ऐसे, लुक हियर कृषा, इफ आई एम डूइंग लाइक दिस, तो आप समझ आओगे कि कुछ कह रही है काम में. ठीक है? बट
Yes.
that is being discreet. Now baited and baited, BATED,
ITV.
okay, let's do it in a different way. Okay, before I ask you any knowledge about these two words, anything.
No.
BATED is agitation, मतलब गुस्सा, again.
Anger.
Anger. We can also say anxious, anxious, because जहाँ anger होते कभी भी anxiousness भी आ जाती है, right?
Anxious. Yeah.
For example, bated breath is a phrase. Bated breath.
Yeah.
तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? बहुत ज्यादा नर्वसनेस, एंशियसनेस, डरना.
Yes.
ओके.
Hmm.
सो बेटेड. ओके. नाउ BAITED का मतलब क्या होता है? बेट देना किसी को, लाइक ब्राइब,
Give. Bribe. Okay.
टेम्पटेशंस. There was one chapter in English, I think, the rat trap. Rat trap.
Yeah, I have just read it a few days ago.
Is it in 12th? Yeah, I think.
Yeah, it's in 12th.
हाँ. तो it is talking, or maybe there was one more chapter, I can't recall the name, I don't know, maybe 10th or 9th class. तो उसमें क्या था? Worldly temptations are bait. They offer bait to human beings. जो materialistic things होती है ना, materialistic things और worldly temptations, they offer bait to us. Bait मतलब क्या हुआ?
Yeah.
लालच, ललचा देता है हमारा मन.
Lalat.
हाँ, किसी को बेट देना मतलब उसको ललचाना.
Latana.
Okay? Yeah. Getting attracted to these things.
Yeah.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हम बच्चों को बेट देते हैं ना, मतलब वो रो रहे हैं तो उसको चलो फोन दिखा दिया, उसको कार्टून दिखा दिया, उसको गाने दिखा दिए. सो वी आर
Yeah.
प्रोवाइडिंग बेट टू दैट स्टूडेंट और दैट
Way
चाइल्ड,
to the
सॉरी.
student.
या. आर द मीनिंग्स क्लियर? पहला डिस्क्रीट
Yes.
है
I have
DIES.
I have also done the answers of this question.
वेरी गुड. दैट्स ग्रेट. Okay, quickly tell me the meanings orally, Krishna. I just want to make sure that you have understood the meanings. Please tell me quickly.
Yeah. The first discrete means very different.
Very good. Second.
The second discrete means very tactful or careful.
Yeah, very good. So discrete behavior,
BATED.
I can say. Discrete behavior.
Yeah, discrete behavior, different behavior.
Yeah. Third,
The first the first weighted means that very angry or agitated person.
yeah, agitated, aggression. Yes.
Agi-
It can be
Agitated. And
nervousness
then fourth,
also, anxiety also. मतलब सब कुछ आ सकता है उसमें. ठीक है?
yes.
And last,
And the fourth weighted means to bribe someone.
very good. Now let's look at the meanings, answers.
Yeah.
Waited.
So yeah.
Oh,
So first one is
hmm.
we waited. Yeah. We waited with bated breath for
Hmm.
the winner to be announced. The third one.
See, this is a very good sentence. And I just told you this phrase. Actually, I didn't see breath, but they have used the same way. Bated breath.
With
BATED.
nervousness.
हाँ मतलब जैसे नर्वसनेस होती है होता है ना कि विनर अनाउंस होने वाला है, बस एंड वी कैन जस्ट वेट सो दैट इज बेटेड।
Yeah,
मतलब समझ
bated
गया ना कि
breath.
डरना मतलब वो वाला डर कि क्या होगा।
Yeah.
बेटेड ब्रेथ बिफोर योर रिजल्ट, फाइनल रिजल्ट। ओके। ओके। सेकेंड वन, कृष्णा, मूविंग क्वाइटली इनटू पोजीशन।
Move quietly into the position. She discreet the trap and waited.
शी
Sorry, she baited the trap and waited. The fourth waited.
baited the trap and waited.
Trap baited.
Yes, baited the trap.
Yeah,
Yes.
trap and waited. C1. You ought to make a few discreet inquiries before you sign anything. You have to be very careful before you sign anything.
Right. Which discrete?
The second one.
Yes, very good.
Organisms can be divided into discrete categories, then with different categories.
First one.
Yeah, the first one.
Very good. All answers are correct. So let's look at the
Yes.
T also, B.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's do one more quickly.
Yes.
Fastidious, synonym.
Fastidious means
देखो, brave नहीं होगा, weak नहीं होगा,
strong
strong
nahi ho.
नहीं होगा. It's finicky.
Finicky.
Fastidious मतलब जो बड़ी हड़बड़ी में रहना हर वक्त. Finicky.
Yeah.
Finicky बंदा कौन होता है? Who is finicky? मतलब who doesn't have any kind of, patience, I should say.
Patient.
Very short tempered, very quick in decisions. तो वो एक फिनिकी बंदा होते हैं. फास्टिडियस मतलब हर
Yes.
काम बस हड़बड़ी में करना. ओके. फास्टिडियस, you can write this word also.
Yeah, I have written.
See, they've written fastidious means very attentive and
Fastidious.
concerned about accuracy. और ये जब
Yeah.
इतना कंसर्न्ड होते हैं ना तो ये फिनिकी हो जाते हैं. मतलब उनको थोड़ा सा भी अगर मैंने चेयर ऐसे की ऐसे रख दी तो भी उन्हें दिक्कत हो जाएगी. फिनिकी. अगेन फिनिकनी.
Yeah.
फिनिकी. ओके. मतलब दे फोकस ऑन डिटेल्स लाइक एनीथिंग. मतलब छोटी से छोटी डिटेल.
Hmm.
शी वॉज फास्टिडियस अबाउट कीपिंग हर हाउस क्लीन एंड टाइडी. ओके. मीन्स वे टू कंसर्न्ड. एक होता है कंसर्न, एक होता है ओवर कंसर्न्ड. फास्टिडियस. ठीक है. एनी डाउट्स?
No.
चलो ये करते हैं लास्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर टुडे, क्वेश्चन
Okay.
नंबर 35.
Okay.